So hi everyone, you all welcome you all to for this February 26th meetup, and I hope you will gain some knowledge as Manik said. So it's all about Marketing Cloud Growth Edition on core and some demos as well. So before begin, let me tell you about myself. My name is Vidar. This is my Instagram, my LinkedIn handle. So I am Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer at Value Hub. So it's basically Singapore based, but I do work from home. I'm Agentforce Legend. I'm 8x certified and 1x Slack certified. Apart from that, after 12th, I learned some ways of Chinese, so I can speak Mandarin as well. And this is my LinkedIn account. You can scan the code and you can please follow me on LinkedIn, or you can search by my name. With this name, there is no one apart from me, so it will be very easy for you to scan or search my name. So proceeding ahead, this is the history of Marketing Cloud. So it's originated on 2000, early 2000, until 2013. It was a normal Marketing Cloud tool which is being which is being used to basically for sending emails, only for emails, nothing else. But after 2013, it became the Marketing Cloud, and evolving as well. Added some studios of Journey Builder and Mobile Studios and Contact Builder. Before proceeding ahead, may I know how many of us are from Marketing Cloud background or having some extent of Marketing Cloud? Great. So it will be more easy for me to explain. So, and then in early 21, the Data Cloud era, the unified platform where you will get all the details in one singular system. And in 2024, the growth edition got added, and beyond it's going on Agentforce, and as you are getting updated as well. So what is growth edition? So it's a unified customer data and 360 view built on Salesforce core. What do you mean by that? I mean, any guesses? Built on core, it means pardon. Great. The UI is same. It means the Salesforce which you have learned, which we all have learned, the basic admin, that particular stuff is segregated. It's made actually on proper Salesforce UI, the basic UI. All right. So it's Einstein 1 and Data Cloud, AI-powered campaign and automation, simplified multi-channel campaign management, ideal for SBM, it is small, medium businesses and growing businesses, scalable but cost effective, right? So I'm not going to sell this one as of now, but I just want you to learn basically the growth edition. So it's moving from complex independent marketing apps, independent user experience, unique data schema and point-to-point integration to simplified, streamlined, unified marketing experience. All right. So your data is in 4 to 5 system and it's segregated, and it's creating one single profile. As you can see, your extract, your Dataroma, Power.cdp averages, it's going to be on one single platform, which is Growth Edition. So before, let's let's understand more with healthcare example. So anyone from us from healthcare background or learned, bio in their 12th or before that, or having some idea of, healthcare side? Anyone? Sure, no problem. So I believe everyone heard about cancer, right? There's a disease, right? Cancer. So my example will be, surround on that only. So in cancer, there are 3 treatments. One is chemotherapy. All right. If there's any questions in between this example, just point out me on that. I mean, on that time itself. All right. Don't need to wait for the last questionnaire section. You can ask me right away. All right. So one chemotherapy on the cancer treatment, and then they have surgical, then have radiation. All right. So in in radiation basically, what they do one CT scan on some different machine. They implement that CT scan, the planning CT scan in radiation machine, and then they do radiation. All right, 2 systems on it, which can cause very issues basically. If cause CT scan done once and radiation begin till 25 fractions. So on that one CT scan, getting created 25 ways. What if in between 25 radiation, the tumor of that cancer got segregated, or shifted to somewhere else? Then what happened? The replanning is required after 25 radiations, and then patient will suffer at the end basically. Are you getting my point? Great. So what big hospitals and what AI done, they created one machine, which is this machine. I'm not selling this machine, basically I'm just explaining you. So on this machine, before every radiation, there is one CT scan done. So what they did, they integrated two machines into one machine. So which can cause, if the tumor size got changed, they are not suffering basically, because on daily basis they are getting CT scan, daily basis radiation is going on, so they don't need to worry about their health, because daily on a daily basis getting treated very well. So it's little simulation, maybe you might not able to understand, but you can ignore right from anatomy till 3D CRT. You can ignore that one. So I'm explaining about IMRT and IGRT. It's are two techniques basically for radiation therapy itself. So as you can see, the tumor is same, the beam is going on as per one CT scan which has been done. But if the tumor size got changed, if you can see the yellow line, so that portion are going to radiate, but rest of the red margin are going to left. So at the end, patient will get again cancer, right? But if you can see ART, which is adaptive radiation therapy, basically it's just an example. All right, if you can see on the B5, as per the tumor, the radiation is coming on that particular beam itself. So there's no harm, because it's getting radiate on daily basis. Are you getting my point? If you can understand that example, thanks. So why does it matter? Because it's one trusted platform, as I explained in between. There's only one system, and they know you better. You might have login with your different Gmail or Outlook ID in different system, and they are integrating in one system, which is one unified profile. AI that save time, because generative AI helping basically us to create relevant contact and emails, personalized across customer journey. That I'll explain again going forward. So data cloud are on it. So how many of us are aware about data cloud or have worked on data cloud? Only three. All right. So basically, data cloud, we are not supposed to, you know, show the data cloud stuff in front of the in front of the clients or the customers. The marketing cloud stuff only, or commerce cloud will only. But data cloud, what do? They integrate all your system, all the data from different system in one singular unified platform by identity resolution. All right, and then we use that way. So provide 360 degree of a customer, as if system know better you than who else. So as I explained you, if you have login with your different ID, but by your same name, or so basically my name is Vidur Gumbar. If let's suppose I took my name as Vidur somewhere and Gumbar somewhere, maybe Vidur Gumbar somewhere, Vidur G somewhere, let's suppose. So what identity resolution will do? They'll segregate all those four my names and create one unified profile. All right. Let's suppose I gave my age somewhere else, my preference in some different system, what my color, which color I do like in some different system. Then it will get unified basically. That's how. So it's key highlights. As I said, it's built on core, so you don't need to learn basically the clicks and code. Basically, if you know SFMC, which is Marketing Cloud, it's way beyond different than the other Salesforce product. You have to learn basically the clicks, the automation tool, the journey builder tool, the SQL, lot many stuff. But here, it's it's not that much harder, because it's built on core, seamlessly work with data cloud, and breaks data silos. Any idea what is data silos? I would request you guys, please be interactive. You're paying your hard-earned time. Any idea what is data silos? Okay, data silos means data break. Um, if there are so many systems are coming, integrating, and sending one system sending data from one system to another system, and somehow the data got break because SQL have added or MC Connect is there. All right. So that is called data silos, data break basically. But if there's only one system for all your use case, then there's no data silos, there's no data break, there's no data leakage as well. All right. So effectively use of AI, cause of agent force, include the flexibility of Salesforce flows. So basically it's built on flows. So if you anyone any idea what is flows? Have anyone worked? Yeah, flows basically, Salesforce flows. It's very common. Yes, yes. So that flows basically we are using here in Growth Edition, and shared and utilize shared builder and tools across clouds. So we have added some key features: Einstein AI, Gen AI basically, generative AI, segmentation creation by natural language prompt to build segment basically, your agent force, SAM time optimization. Any idea what is STO? Einstein STO? No problem. If I mean people who are from SFMC background, they must be knowing what is MCO. STO. If you can explain what is STO. Great, great, wonderful example. So it means how often you use your phone, how often you use Instagram, that stuff basically. Einstein STO. All right. So then we have people scoring, account scoring that I'm going to explain later. Form and landing pages. If you are from SFMC background, you must be knowing it's so hard to create landing form and forms. It's not hard, but it's taking very time process. It take almost 3 to 4 hours to create good amount when good a form with good layout basically. All right. Then we have brand guidelines. It means there are some 10 to 15 systems, 10 to 15 emails basically. And let's suppose the brand name got changed. So before, if you know, I mean, Salesforce about to change their name from Agent Force. It was a rumor, but what if? So Salesforce have hundreds of emails. They're supposed to change their email one by one. By this brand guideline, they're supposed to change only once, and all their 100 email will get changed automatically. That's called brand guideline. So it's cross object personalization. As all your system in one system, then more personalization. System knows you better. And Salesforce flows, SMS and WhatsApp, and dynamic content. Dynamic content means basically if my preference is on my age, let's suppose it's 26, and I like black color, and some female is there, her age is 30, and she like pink color. So we'll get the content, we'll get the email as per our basically preferences. All right, I won't get pink color. I'll get only black and 40, 25. My age is not 25, but I'm just explaining you. So, so this, as you can see, this is a dashboard. That's how it looks. We'll check on demo if system allow, and it quickly generate assets and template campaign options, configured campaign flow and automate content distribution and data collection. Asset can auto create using your unique brands. So as I already explained that you don't need to change your hundreds of emails one by one. By this brand guideline, you can do just by few clicks. All right. You must be thinking it's very normal, but ask us, the SFMC guys, it's not very easy. It means like you are creating a custom code by doing agent vibes, so many stuffs. It takes literally so much time. Almost 8 to 9 days it will take to rename those hundred of email if the brand got changed. But here you can do just by few clicks. Between 5 to 6 minutes you can do that one. Are you getting my point? Any queries in between? Yes, it will take almost 10 to 15 minutes to change the email name basically. It might can take longer because they have introduced just now. Keep on changing by spring 25, 26 basically. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Even if you are working on 5 to 6 clients in one UI, you can do as per your needs. You can change basically. All right. Then basically it's Agentforce and Einstein. It's built on core, but with Agentforce, you can create your campaign, your emails just by natural language, which is English. I'll explain you. I'll, I'll give you a demo how it goes on basically. So personalization, personalized content with any attribute related to the unified individual. Filter and sort attribute to include the most relevant content. Most relevant, as I said, female will get females only, and males will get males only, as per their age and color preference. But if it's not there, then data silo can happen, as I explained in between. Data break. What if that all data or database or data extension basically got merged in one system, and it can ruin the goodwill basically of a company. What suppose I'll receive only females product on my email ID? How soon often to buy? I supposed to unsubscribe that email. I supposed to block that chain, put on spam basically. Repetition issues, so many issues. But with this, it's very lesser basically. So multiple channel. So as I said, that email, SMS, and WhatsApp you can integrate in between, and you'll receive the email, your products on your WhatsApp directly itself. Your SMS, emails. Basically, SMS we won't not frequently check, but emails and WhatsApp we do. People scoring. So people scoring means a bunch of individuals who supposed to engage basically. What they do, they calculate the total score. All right, how many fit score, how many from 100 people are supposed to buy from us, individuals basically. All right, people scoring do that way. Measure how closely individual match your ideal customer profile. If all boys from us, we frequently check Nike brand daily basis, and you buy that product, then we are more eligible to buy among us basically. And the total of 20 15 people, 15 a person basically. So that way for individual. But from company perspective, we have account scoring. How soon, how often basically we purchase. Let's suppose an example of Wipro. What they do, how many from Wipro search for Nike shoes. That's called account scoring for B2B basically. Yes, yes, yes. Separate only. Yeah, it will get merged as well. Huh. Yes. Exact target is no more basically. Exact target is done. All right. So personalization. Before this began, actually I have wrote something EDM basically, but our team leader is not there. It's okay. So in early 2000, early 80s basically, there was a very famous saying that your mother know you very well. Okay. But in late 90s, there was a saying shift to your wife know you very well. But now in 2025 or 26, your Instagram know you very well, because whatever content you like, you will see on that your algorithm basically. If you like bullshit comedy products or comedy reels, people doing anything, your Instagram will show you that only. All right, are you getting my point? Right. So if you know something, if you like something relevant, informative, then your Instagram algorithm will go on that way. A sort of personalization, but in not that much bigger level. But here with SFMC Growth Edition, we have personalization in different way. On one email, so basically one email have your hi first name. Let's suppose my name is Vidur, hi Vidur, and my preference, and last. That's it. But in Growth Edition, there are 25 ways in one email where they can personalize you better. Your subject, your pre-header, your content. What if I only get the details which I personally like? That level of personalization basically. So as you said, content builder, dynamic content. It's changing as per our needs. Okay. Merge fields basically is data extensions field only, but it's more about data graph, which is coming from data cloud itself. All right, you don't need to learn any SQL or ARM script. But if you're doing in SFMC account enablement, which is old SFMC org, you need to learn so much hard coding, ARM script, SQL, so much languages, HTML, CSS as well. But it's not required here. You just need to integrate, not even into integrate, just need to write the source in direct attribute, which is coming all the way from data cloud, because you have already get the data inside it by identity resolution, and by data graph you are getting the details here itself. So personalization point means where, where it will show. Um, Let me give an example for that as well. Here we are listening, all right. We are seeing something, but where? On the screen. The screen is personalization point, all right. So whatever we are seeing the content, it is the decision. What means what the decision is, all right. The targeting rules. If you can see here, bro, this sheet will come to you itself. The targeting rules. It means why you are seeing this content, because you have registered for this event. Hope you understood this point, decision and targeting rules now. If not, you can read as well. Define what content can be personalized, means your subject line, your images, your pre-header. All right, it can personalize the decision, runner versus hikers. I mean, those who are runner will get only runners product, and hikers will get hikers only. And targeting rules, all the way, it's coming all the way from data cloud. Data cloud, data graph. So it's linking personalization point and dynamic points and my content basically. So why link points? Ensure multiple components, example image, button, subject line, share the same targeting rule. Auto applies changes to rules, priority and variation across linked and 25 personalization points limits. As I said, one email have 25 personalization points. How know you better? How system know you better? They can more predict what what's your next step. If even your microphone, your phone's microphone also judge you. If you don't open your phone, if you talk about watch every day, let's suppose, just try today itself. All right, just put your phone on your pocket, all right, and just speak about watches, any Rolex, Casio, any watches, but don't search it. On the next day you will get watches product, because your microphone is judging you. So that level of AI is going on. So this will not take your job, but the person who learning this stuff will definitely going to take your job. So I would request you to please interact in between if you have any question. Yes, not security but the product. Yeah, if you like Nike jeans, Levi's jeans, you don't search it, but on the next day you might receive that email, or you might receive on your Instagram the ads. Yes, that level of personalization basically, it's a part of personalization. Don't consider personalization is just by name. Your name is reflecting there. No, your preference is also going to reflect. So basically Mark Benioff is going your taking your data basically on daily basis. Okay, so it's by merge fields, inserting a customer data into emails or WhatsApp. All right, pulling data from the individual events or related objects via data graph, cross object merge field, event trigger message personalization, select an event data source for field merge fields. All right, and then we have demo. Let me proceed ahead. So that's how my org looks. As I told you that the UI seems just like your admin part. Oh, pardon. Okay, thanks. So as I said, it's built on core. So as you can see, it's very familiar to you, because we all have done admin part. So it's built on core. So To proceeding ahead, you're supposed to click here, which is the Agentforce default. So creating a campaign. Any idea what this campaign is? Hmm. Any addition? Perfect. Yeah. Anyone? Great. Yeah, that's what I was asked to ask. Yes, yes. That's like Amazon. Amazon, they have so many sales, Republic Day sales, Holy Day sales. These are sort of campaigns. All right. So just by few clicks you can do, but in old SFMC, it's not that easy. All right. Let me do. No, it's same only. Pardon?